This guy looks like an auto driver who would reject me.
That's also correct. That's also or he can be the one. तो बिस्लरी का कैन लेके आएगा. He will be on a moped. T-shirt यहाँ तक होगा, पेट ऐसा बाहर होएगा इसका.
You called him auto driver. You called him a Bisleri water seller. You guys had a party within yourself. But this is a politician, an actor, producer, director, and he is freaking huge.
I kind of have a crush on him.
Okay, guys, we'll begin recording now. Anutama. We'll
Okay,
begin
socialites.
recording
We would like some silence.
यार इसको जा.
Bebo, not here, Baba. Sweetheart. Okay. Jo, chal, go.
My worst nightmare is कि बेबो मेरे लैपटॉप पे उल्टी कर देगी.
Namaskar, welcome to Normies. Don't fucking laugh. If you do that, I can't do the intro. All right, Rohan. Okay.
Yeah, we'll remain serious.
Okay, all right.
I'll give you such a serious face on the camera. People will be like, इसको कुछ हुआ है.
Vanakkam. Welcome to another edition of Normies, episode 4, and this time we've turned the furniture around. Okay, Anutama. So this is a YouTube video where silence is appreciated.
Don't close it. Don't close it.
Silence would be appreciated. Yeah.
He'll keep all of this.
ये मस्त blooper बनेगा.
Should we rock it?
Yeah.
Rocket and all.
Don't
not start it.
From there, from जहाँ पे छोड़ा वहीं से करना.
Welcome back, episode number 4. That's where we वहाँ से.
No, मतलब आप अनुतमा के बाद भी शुरू कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा. Now, since the distraction has been avoided, this
Taken care of.
time, this time we've turned the furniture around. Rohan Karyappa, YouTuber, radio jockey, improv artist, delight for every married woman, is right here with us. Shayan Bhattacharya, radio jockey, again improv artist, and the father of fucking foreplay, is right here with us. So yes, it's going to be interesting because they are going to be normies, and trust me, when you see this episode, you are going to be normies as well. So join us and try to guess as we go through this video as to what we are asking Rohan
मेरे को
and
नहीं
Shayan.
लगता ऑडियंस को समझ आया आपने क्या बोला. I really doubt. Just explain.
देखो वीडियो देखो. ठीक है, मस्ती करो बस. ठीक है. Shayan and today I'm taking you to the underbelly of Indian music, to the dark alleys of musical magic, to the streets that will give you haunting tunes.
Okay.
Because these are some of the musicians or alleged musicians in India that you need to review what you see and tell me whether it's a view or a subscriber as I take you through the video. Is that okay? What Rohan and Shayan can win is a fantastic hamper from Taste of Coorg. They've got all authentic stuff. So get on to www.tasteofcoorg.com to know
बहुत
more.
सही products हैं.
And awesome things. So yeah, I want
to do a like an ad for Taste of Coorg right now, like a tagline.
Right.
We've always been doing it. Give me. So क्या था tasteofcoorg.org नहीं
.com.
ORG क्या? हाँ.
गलत बात.
अच्छा,
गरीब बच्चों को थोड़ी ना खिला रहे हैं.
sorry log on to Taste of Coorg sorry log on to tasteofcoorg.com and order authentic stuff from Coorg. Taste of Coorg. If your mouth feels empty, put some Coorg in it. What do you think, Razi?
Yeah, mouth feels, not feels.
If your mouth feels empty, put some Coorg in it.
Superb. Oh! It's
Just
nice.
ends with that.
Very sensual.
Nice, very nice. Give it back over here. And yes, that's what you guys are going to win.
ठीक है.
So, in front of you, you've got 9 videos.
Yeah.
A majority wins, as like every rule.
Yeah.
Hit video number 1, Rohan.
Me daddy, I want the love marriage. Me daddy, I want the love marriage. Yo party oh, ay yo. Yo party oh, ay yo. Yo party oh, ay yo. Mommy daddy, I want a love marriage. Mommy daddy, you have been good to
making me D.
Arrange marriage you have on the mind. I want the love marriage. I want the love marriage.
All right. Now
this guy's name?
I hit you with a bullet over there.
Yeah.
Let me tell you one thing about this guy, and then you can react. Actually, you react to the video first.
ये LIC इंश्योरेंस कार्ड देगा मेरा शक्ल देखकर.
So, see, I think
Okay.
no, I think his love is pure because the lady is chosen for himself.
Right.
Is well, she might be a nice person, but not for aesthetic value. And she's of course elder
आपको
to
आई थिंक
her.
समझ नहीं आया और जाते मेरे को भी समझ नहीं आई ये लैंग्वेज मुझे भी नहीं आती बट आई थिंक ही इज कन्विंसिंग हिज पेरेंट्स कि मुझे लव मैरिज करने दो.
Absolutely
However-
right. Absolutely right.
That is there in the song. ऐसा कुछ अजीब नहीं बोला है. गाने पे बार-बार love marriage लिखा हुआ है. It's like okay, but there is a dil sign which came. जिसमें इस बंदा, this guy and this woman, they are together multiple times in the video. So he is asking them for love marriage permission to marry this woman. Who
स्टेप
can't
मॉम
control.
होगी ना.
तो स्टेप मॉम के साथ दिल साइन में क्यों रहेगा बे? Why would you have a dil heart sign of pink color and this guy will put his stepmom in the frame with it? This is the woman he wants to marry.
So let me just take you through. It's called making of a video. So when you,
I know, I'm just-
he's not in love with any of them.
हाँ,
what he said.
that much I know.
What he
तो ये
said.
बोल रहा होगा ना मम्मी पापा मैं
Yeah.
आपसे प्यार करता हूँ.
Yeah.
Then where is his father? He's only featuring his mom barbar in a dil-shaped pink. No, this is the lady he wants to marry. I'm just saying, going by the video, if you have to break down and understand the video, like how Rohan does.
A little
See-
bit of
See,
storytelling.
Rohan does it in a very matured way. Yes, Rohan.
I also found a bit of storytelling in the track जिसमें वो बोल रहा था कि आपने मेरे को वनापुरम भेज दिया मेरे को अपनी जिंदगी जीने नहीं दिया. Am I right?
Without knowing the language, he's got it. He's got
Correct,
it.
correct.
So now
it's
I
in
request
English.
you to shut the
It's in
fuck
English.
up for once, and you have to do this for me now. Now this guy is called Wilbur Sargunaraj.
Okay.
One of the first YouTube ambassadors from India. One of the first people who got tons of subscribers when YouTube started. He used to do videos where he'll show you how to use an Indian style toilet, and he'll say, put this in the anus. All that he will say, and he will tell you how.
सही में
to-
ऐसे बोलते थे?
Wilbur Sargunaj. Okay, Rohan, you got to do this. This is a picture of me and Wilbur, and I got Wilbur many moons ago in Chennai, and he designed one extraordinary thing called the lungi pants. So he was a rage. He's still a rage. You can check him out on YouTube, Wilbur Sargunaj. Now you guys have to tell me.
Definitely want to see what he
Yeah,
does now.
you guys have to tell me.
He's an entrepreneur.
You could say that. I think he lives abroad now because of.
अपनी इज्जत बेचता है YouTube पे.
अच्छा, आप भी बताओ कितने मिलियन व्यूज आएंगे विल्बर सरगुनाज के लिए. But yes,
That will tell them anyway.
Rohan and Shine, what
हाँ.
do you think the views are for
Since
this
Rohan
video?
is much more experienced in this game and has been doing it for years now, Rohan, you go first.
तो it seems like an old video and जब 2006-7 के पास अगर इसने start भी किया होगा तो getting 50,000 views at that time in India used to be a big thing. So I'm assuming around 300k.
300k. I say 1.2 million.
What if I?
Sorry, Wilbur got 1.7 million and
Oh
counting.
shit, I was actually pretty
So
close.
1.2 is pretty close as against 300k.
So हमारे last video के बाद I got a lot of comments for people telling me on my Instagram inbox saying that you should attempt IAS exams if तुक्का लगाना had a face and all of that.
No, but dude, he got it. Come on, Rohan. अच्छा, ठीक है.
Pressurize me.
अच्छा, no,
आपका मैंने 3 मैच आपको पूरा मैच हारते हुए देखा मैंने ऐसे कभी नहीं बोला. It's just the first point. I'll get the next
Nilaji,
one.
this
Okay.
is your nail cutter, is it?
Yeah, just keep it
I
on the
think I
side. That
broke
should
it.
not be on the video. Just put it on the side.
I think I broke it.
Video number 2.
Video number 2 देखा जाए.
Oh, what a guess! One के बाद 2.
Sunday morning, love you. Monday morning,
This is that I know this guy is from Nepal.
Yes. I know his name as well. And I think I'm winning this. I guess.
love you every day.
Oh my legend.
एक ही मॉडल के लिए है बस.
Lady, you are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lady, you are a.
This could have been images he's taken from somewhere on YouTube.
Yeah,
Stock images.
Stock है ये.
Lady, you are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lady, you are attractive, attractive, attractive.
Attractive.
Tuesday morning, love you. Wednesday morning, love you. Tuesday morning, love you. Wednesday morning, love you.
अच्छा.
They tackled this very elegantly in the track चाहूंगा मैं तुझे शाम सवेरे. Here he breaks down each day. Just
Bhim
hear the
Narula.
basic-
Bhim Narula.
What is it?
Done.
Narula.
Bhim Narula.
The artist is Bhim Narula.
He's a Nepali
Superstar.
like by nationality. He was a banker in England. So I'm guessing that those shots that you saw with a lady running or walking around is
This
probably.
is after a hard day of delivering cash into people's hands.
No, so he's a banker, and now he's a Nepali, and obviously he's got
How many
followers.
subscribers?
So I'm going to ask you this: do you think you would repeat this track on loop while driving?
Why?
Why would we do that?
So you
We would
do
do
not
that in
like.
case-
So you do not like.
I would do that if if you are in the car.
Okay.
So that I could take the irritation, but it will be much more pleasure.
So
to
you would
irritate
consider this as a torture track?
Yeah, definitely.
So Bhim Narula has actually tortured you guys in that 1
Do
minute.
you know him personally or something?
And this
Is he
song,
hiding here? Why are you making it?
no, and this song is
So-
4 minutes or 3.5 minutes long. So you will never listen to it. You're saying.
नहीं मैंने इसके सारे ट्रैक सुने Spotify पे फॉलो करके रखा है मैंने इसको.
Oh my goodness.
No,
Acha,
but it looks like you are baiting us, like he's somewhere hiding.
No.
He's just going to come out and talk
John
to us.
Bhim, आजा. अच्छा,
Like,
बताओ
so you say you
views
like
कितना
that girl,
है?
huh?
Views कितना है?
3.6 million.
3.6 million. आप बताओ.
6 million.
It's 1-1. Ladies and gentlemen,
Don't make that face.
6.6
It's very
million.
difficult to read.
6.6 million views and counting. So Rohan gets
6.6.
this. Yeah.
Oh,
So the
nice.
score is at 1-1.
So here's the thing. Rohan takes this whole thing, like we and you, when we sit together, we take it कि अच्छा मजा कर. Rohan takes this whole thing as like an Olympic trial. If he wins this, he can represent India. He's like fucking competitive and all.
अरे मैं
Which is why I will take away the joy of winning, because I don't care if I win or not.
No, you're patronizing.
Not patronizing. I am
He'll not
enjoying
win.
it.
You
know he'll
already
not.
know after 2 tracks.
That's okay with me.
No, after
I will take away your joy of winning. I am okay if I lose. Completely okay.
after 2 tracks, he's got it in his fucking head.
He was
He's going to
celebrating.
lose.
नहीं, after first
First
track,
track
he
he
was
said
celebrating.
yeah.
I was because I was proving the adage
He
right.
knows-
That if Lagana had a face, it's this.
Rohan, he knows it's getting tough as
Yeah.
we go forward.
Yeah,
so
I'm okay
track
with it.
number 3.
अरे वो क्या बंदा है? ये एंजल वाला
Angel.
है। ताहिर
Shah.
ताहिर शाह हाँ.
You've not done a great job.
I thought.
This is how Rohan spends his time on it. Going by the Insta videos he forwards us, he's into cringe content.
Fabulous, exciting, I do.
Don't these people have friends in life somebody who will sit them down and tell them like why?
थोड़े चंडाल जैसे लग रहे हैं. थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा बाल ऐसा.
I think it's
नहीं.
if Simi Garewal and Bapi Lahiri had a baby,
It would be Tahir Shah.
Tahir Shah.
So you guys got it, that this is Tahir Shah. And you also complimented me in the midst of that, saying I've not done a good job. Thank you for that compliment. Appreciate it much.
I think for bad behavior you should deduct 1 point. Fuck, I will get a lot of
What
points
do you
deducted
what do
for
you call that in that recent
Fair play.
Fair play.
Fair
Yeah,
play award.
Fair play award. No, okay. Since you guys know it's Tahir Shah, what do you think about the song?
What if I am in a competition and what award would you give me?
Foreplay, yeah, foreplay. Or the biggest Chutia. One of which you can choose. Now, since you know Tahir Shah, tell me about the video. What do you think Talk to us about it.
I'm telling you, this is if Simi Grewal and Bapi Lahiri had a baby, this guy would, I mean, the person would look like this. Also, yeah, dearth of friends or anybody in life who can just sit them down and tell them why, just donate some money to Lashkar and all.
Oh.
He's from Pakistan, no? So Lashkar also has a humanitarian wing.
He might be a good human from Pakistan.
Lashkar also has a humanitarian wing.
You go join that as a volunteer, okay?
Which did a lot of work in Pakistan, by the way.
But Tahir Shah is a musician, all right? Okay, and
But his face resembles वो life boy में कीटाणु नहीं आते. Little like that. देखो थोड़ा सा ऐसा.
so it's so good not to be a normie on this episode. All right, now you got to tell me how many views has Tahir Shah got for this song, which is Eye to Eye. Yeah.
अरे यार, Eye to Eye इसका second favorite गाना, second सबसे बड़ा गाना है ना?
Angel भी था ना?
Angel पड़ा है सबसे.
Angel family के साथ किया था.
9.2 million.
Up.
8.7 million.
9.2, 8.7. Well, for the first time,
It's a tie?
none
9
of
million.
them have been even close. 8.7, I can't get it close because it'll be unfair. And
What is it?
9.2 is not too far from 8.7.
What is it?
So I think you're grouped in a cluster.
अरे
What
क्या
is
है भाई?
it?
View क्या है?
1.9.
So I win.
How can you give it to him? I was arguing with you for this.
1.9 million.
1.9 million views
हाँ,
here.
so whoever is
None of
closer.
you guys need to win this. That's what I'm saying.
No,
कि
no,
नए
for-
rule डालते हैं that
No.
both of you are off the orbit.
You can't change rules in between.
I don't mind. ठीक है, मेरे को
Of
नहीं
course he doesn't mind.
Okay, so 1-1.
two
The
one.
score- The score is still 1-1.
Randomly, you are just
नहीं,
supporting
नहीं,
him blindly. This is bad.
It's 2-1. It's 2-1. I'm MS Dhoni.
2-1. Video number 4.
Hyderabad movie.
नहीं, तमिल मूवी है यार. इसमें हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट करते हैं.
हाँ, but I never seen this track.
अपने हाथों से ट्रेन भी चलवाएगा ये.
That's Yuvraj Singh's dad, Jograj Singh.
उसका पेड़ का खून निकला है. पेड़ का खून निकला है.
Correct. Because he doesn't have any blood.
So I have a basic question. So this movie intended to be caricaturish funny, or what?
No,
was
it had a very serious director, and they were
Seriously?
they were embarking on a very serious movie. But as you can see, the product it was
But
not
I don't
like
think any serious movie who has a protagonist who will fight a lot of people
Huh.
will have a protagonist
But
that
if
looks
you-
like this.
No, the thing is, they've taken a common man. Okay, they've taken a common man, and
He's quite
this guy,
uncommon in terms
Yeah.
of
and
common
this-
man as
I know,
well.
I know, and this guy has been injured. But what does the trainer do? He takes him to a fucking children's park to get him up and about. And there's only one actor who can do this. And someone, I think it was you said from Hyderabad.
Was it from Hyderabad?
Yeah, it's.
This
from-
is Hyderabadi.
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
हाँ, then I'm saying. ये वो वाला है ना जहाँ पे वो हार्ट अचानक से घुस जाता है.
Correct.
And the surgeon general is like, oh, अच्छा again. Remember that scene? Surgeon general was like, oh,
हार्ट जब
okay.
घुसता है तो चाइनीज लाइट भी जल रही होती है साइड में. नोटिस किया आपने? अब इसी वीडियो के आगे उसका जब और ज्यादा अच्छा लेवल दिखाना होगा ना, तो उसमें वो तो शर्ट खोल के एकदम सिक्स पैक्स में वो मार रहा था भाग मिल्खा भाग में.
हाँ.
इसमें हाथों के ऊपर से ट्रेन चलवाता है वो. हाथों के ऊपर से ट्रेन चलवा के आपके हाथों के ऊपर से ट्रेन चली तो आपका मतलब जिंदगी खत्म. इसको मन में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अब मैं खाना कैसे खाऊंगा? खाने में मिर्ची लग रही है उसको. यार
So,
I don't know why this thought is coming in my head that you remember this guy's face, no, Niladri?
yeah, I know. Yeah.
हाँ. I'm saying, imagine yourself making out with this guy. Right?
Why would I want to
don't-
make out with
because
the
the way
guy?
the last frame, the way it's
His
paused-
mouth is open.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can actually
I
put it
think-
away.
हाँ.
आपने बहुत ध्यान से देखा है.
This is why this is if you've frozen it here,
Yeah, because Rohan is part of a normie along with you, so I had to do everything possible to set up a platform for
But imagine
opinions.
when you're sleeping tonight, imagine yourself making out with this guy.
Why
It's
would I do
Children's
that?
Day, in
No.
the spirit of Children's Day.
Damn.
ये
अच्छा.
कितनी गंदी गंदी बातें कर
Acha,
रहे हो
okay, two questions for this.
हाँ.
One is not relative and one is relative. So the not relative question on the Gandu quotient of 1 to 10, how much would you give him?
He's gone through the roof.
So it's above
There's no
10.
scale.
There's no scale. What about you,
But
Shah?
in case you've compared this with the other two, वो भाई साहब नेपाल से जो
Sunday
पाकिस्तान.
morning.
हाँ. I think this guy is less Gandu than those two because those two were actually इसमें फिर भी थोड़ा सा comedic elements is introduced.
Acha.
Those were full on कि मैं serious ही कर रहा है करके.
Okay, now you got to tell me how many views did he get for this? Because he's a guy, his name is Sampu. He's done movies where he's made a computer, which is basically a
Ayurveda से बनाया इसने. I am
a
big
computer.
fan.
I know he's crazy. I mean, if you go on YouTube, if you're having a bad and a depressing day, these guys will make you laugh. So tell me how
11
many.
million.
11. आप sir.
इसका ना the problem with these clips, these are heavily viral. सबने देखी होगी, but a lot of its views
Yeah.
has been shared by Facebook and Instagram.
No, but I took it off him.
YouTube now.
Yeah. So you got. He said 11.
He said 11.
ठीक है रोहन.
I'd go with 9 million.
Well, this round goes to Mr. Rohan Karyappa.
What is
2-2. It is 1.5 million views. So
अरे
he's
वो तो
closer.
divide हो जाते
So
हैं.
he's closer. So I hit you with 4 videos.
4 videos, yeah.
Now
Score
the
is
fifth
2-2.
one, 2-2. The fifth video is Relief. It's hit it.
അരികിൽ പതിയേട നെഞ്ചെല്ലാരോ മൂടും രാഗം മിഴികൾ മൊഴിയും മധുരം കിനിയും നീയും നീണം മഴയേ 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 മനസ്സിൽ മഷിയാലുതിരും നിറവേ കണ്ണിനി മതികളെ മിന്നിത്തിരി പോലെ എന്റെ മനസ്സാകെ മുന്നിലണയവെ പ്രിയനോട് ചെറു ചെറിയതൊരു പുലരൊളിയല വിതറുകയോ അന്തിവയിലാണ് നിന്റെ ചിരി പോലെ മിന്നി വഴി നീലേ കനടങ്കായലിലെ കെട്ടുവരം തുഴയുമ്പം പാട്ടുന്ന വാരടി കറണ്ടി അന്തി കുടങ്ങാമത്തിന നീളങ്ങളിൽ കുടിക്കുമ്പം പഴങ്കഥ പറയടി പുള്ളിക്കുയിലേ ആരായാൽ താര വേണം അടുത്തോരം ബലം വേണം ആലിനു ചേർന്നൊരു കുളവും വേണം കണ്ണനിലേ കണ്ണഴകേ ചെറു കനവുകൾ ഒഴിയും ഒരു നാളിന്നിതിലേ എൻസഖിയായി തോളിൽ ചാരേ
I like that
Hey,
track. Yeah?
अच्छा, मस्त है ये तो
I
अच्छा
just
है.
wanted to give you guys relief after
Who's this guy?
hammering you with the thing. What do you think about the guy? Tell me about his singing. And
Is
heard
it
two
a
words.
mashup?
it's a mashup.
It's a mashup of all the Malayalam songs.
Shape of You, Ed Sheeran.
हाँ नहीं वो है.
हाँ,
but
but
there's a lot
he's-
of
yeah.
Indian composition.
Yeah,
किसी
yeah.
डिस्को में जाए का एक composition था, लेकिन वो I think कोई गोविंदा song
Yeah.
जो मलयालम है. Which language is
He's
this?
Malayalam.
हाँ.
Absolutely right.
तो
Absolutely right.
मलयालम
Fuck, I didn't
में
get it.
Yeah.
remake हुआ था. I heard a couple of compositions जो Bollywood
But
ने.
isn't he good, man?
He's
This is
very
good.
good.
Nice.
I
very
really, I saw the entire video. I had to give you only 1 minute, but I
Yeah.
really loved what he did. So I just
What
thought.
And he has a very stereotypical Malayali face. जैसे यहाँ से बाल काट के यहाँ से बड़ा रखा हुआ है.
Or आपके opinions?
I like it.
You like the song?
Yeah.
This is a happy song.
This is a happy. It's a
Okay.
nice track.
Okay.
I heard the word Kanmani, which means he's talking to a lady. Kanna is also eyes, I guess.
Kanmani, is it dream?
No, so what we can do right now is let's not venture into a language.
Because you yourself
Huh,
have not
because
done
you're-
your research
I
right.
I
You're
have
not right.
been born and
I
brought
think
up.
I've heard the word kundi once.
कुंडी नहीं सुना होगा. ये हिंदी में सुन लेते, कुंडी मत कर. इनके में कुंडी नहीं सुन पाओगे आप.
अच्छा.
बंदे का नाम है अश्विन राम.
अश्विन राम.
He's obviously a Malayali. I think but he was born in Delhi.
Okay.
And he's damn good. And
You
he
know him
has
personally?
Not personally. I don't know him personally, but I want to
Know him personally.
No, I want to ask
Make
you
out.
how many.
I want him to sing
Pan
songs.
के लड़े एडिट कर दिया. अच्छा कितने million views की कितने 1,000 views की कितने 100 views, because you know YouTube is pretty not YouTube but the people who watch
world.
YouTube are pretty ruthless when it
Yeah.
comes to good music. So
Yeah.
what do you think is the views?
Shine.
I wanted to add one more line. Niladji would have said, I want to meet him and I want him to softly sing his songs into my ear. What do you think? of that?
While I go to sleep.
While I go to sleep. What do you think?
I think you need to address the task at
Oh,
hand,
acha.
which is how many views does this gentleman Ashwin
I
Ram
took a
have?
guess last time. It's your turn.
2-2, score 2-2 है.
ठीक है. मलयाली ट्रैक थोड़ा बहुत इसको व्यूज मिल जाता है. 300,000, 3 लाख.
3
कैसा मुंह कितना आपने इतनी जल्दी चेंज कर दिया? डोंट गिव अवे.
3 lakh,
900k.
which is less than 3 lakh.
नहीं.
No, 300k he said. I'm saying 900k.
Oh, 900k. Ladies and gentlemen, and everyone watching this video,
Yeah, why?
ये कौन बनेगा करोड़पति
Just
में?
tell us.
the score right now is 3-2. 3 going to Shine, 2 to Rohan Karyappa.
So
We are
60
talking
आ
about
रही है. क्या आता है?
we're talking about 16 million views.
Fuck, this call has got 16
Yeah,
million.
so he's closer. All right. Now, you won the next video. You won the next video, but hit video number 6.
हाँ, ये तो मेरा फेवरेट है. बिग फैन वेलू मलेश.
वेलू नाम भी पता है.
If you live like that, do you know what people think about you?
People think that I'm someone mental. They don't know I'm very sentimental. Friend of mine say I'm a best fellow. He don't know the thing of this fellow.
Why would he know? Why would he know the taste of your fellow?
And he rhymed
Why?
fellow with fellow.
Yeah.
That is, I think.
So as you guessed it right, it's
The lady, I found it hilarious that she's talking with an accent with full dupatta and all seriousness, like she's reading biology notes and all.
अभी आगे कॉल करेगी, तेरा असाइनमेंट कर दूंगी.
so yeah, this is, as you said, right, Venu Malesh. He was quoted by the UK Mirror as the most terrible singer to come out of India.
He's
and
very
had
popular,
made it viral.
ये मालूम है
So
कितना
the
पॉपुलर है
U-
कि आई थिंक प्यूडीपाई ने भी इसका गाना रिव्यू किया है.
Because this guy is now a legend. People want to wait for his next fucked up song. So he has.
Does he know about? Does he know how? Why is he famous?
Yeah, but he just does this.
Of course पता होगा.
Yeah, he just.
लोग कब तक बनाएंगे इसको?
Okay, he knows. When you say terrible singer from India, he pops up. On Google, you can try it. You can actually try it.
ऐसे ढूंढे अपने गाने. No research.
अरे यार तमिलनाडु से है मेरे को पता है. अच्छा
Terrible
ठीक है.
songs of India.
अच्छा
I think you came across a BuzzFeed list and there were 8 of them. So one you thought, अच्छा one क्या करेंगे? Let me introduce. a
मेहनत
good guy.
किया 10 दिन के लिए ये
Okay.
9 tracks लाने के लिए ठीक
हाँ,
है.
तो-
But I like the
अच्छा,
sound
आप
engineer
बताओ.
guy and all. हाँ.
आप बताओ. You saw how he did like.
हाँ, it sounded. हाँ, this and sound engineer guy and all. एक shot है उसका कि he'll say go.
Yeah.
Fucking do it.
So if you see the track,
Nothing.
if you see the track, that guy is not the sound engineer. He's placed people there because when the track opens up, when you actually go to YouTube, it says sound engineered by, produced by, written by, music by, everything by, you know, coffee, tea, whatever, vada, pav, whatever is by Venu Malesh. So he's put these guys as plants to say, it's mine. Oh, wow.
कोलावेरी की
It came right after Kolaveri. So
Oh.
the tier two, very right, very observant, Rohan. That was how this track came
लेकिन मैं
about.
फिर भी हार जाऊंगा ना तुक्के के आगे.
नहीं
Because
अब
you know
views
this guy, I have no
अच्छा
idea about this
views तो बताओ.
ये वाला मैं पहले जाऊं, आप अगले वाले पहले जाओगे? हाँ.
नहीं मैं जा रहा हूँ क्या जाता है?
नहीं मैं अगले वाले में आप जाना.
आप बताओ,
चले,
अरे अगले
25 million.
हाँ
25 million. Listen, these
22 million.
You'll be shocked at how bad it is.
what's the score? 3-2.
हाँ.
It's 3-3 now. And guess what the views are?
What?
22 million. Fucking bullseye, bullseye.
नहीं.
No, so it's 3-3. It's a tough one, all right? We've got 3 more videos and it's 3-3. Someone needs to make a break. Video number 7.
Hockey match.
ਉੱਤੇ ਦੇਖ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਰੈਸਿਪੀ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀ ਖਾ ਬੈਠਾ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਗੋਲੀਏ
You know this guy?
नहीं यार, यही तो टेंशन हो गई ना.
ਆਇਆ ਬਾਹਰ ਗੋਲੀਏ
Rohan's face.
अच्छा एक बोल क्या रहा है?
ਅਚਾਰ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਦ ਲਵਾ ਹਰ ਐਤਵਾਰ ਗੋਲੀਏ ਲੋਕ ਇੰਨਾ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਨੇ ਘਰ ਤੋਂ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਢਿੱਡ ਆਇਆ ਬਾਹਰ
weight 80 किलो ਤੋਲਦਾ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ 80,000 ਗੋਰੀਏ ਲੋਕ ਐਨਾ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਨੇ ਘਰ ਤੋਂ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਢਿੱਡ ਆਇਆ ਬਾਹਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ
ਰਾਮਜਾ ਦੇ ਹਰੀਆਂ ਸਬਜ਼ੀਆਂ ਖਾਇਆ ਕਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤਾਕਤ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ
I like this guy.
बहुत ही सही लगा मेरे को तो
Yeah?
बहुत सही था
You like?
Yeah, because this guy is making a funny track, so he's not in the league of the others.
Yeah, he's not trying to. He knows he just wants to fuck around. Yeah.
And this guy is very proudly talking about his belly and all. So I think,
Yeah.
yeah, pretty nice.
do you know about this guy? Is he inspired by Sidhu Moosewala or something? Because थोड़ा composition
कौन है ये?
It's,
पता नहीं मुझे.
what you don't know?
Drake
Well,
follow
if you
करता
ask
है
me,
Drake
if you ask me like this, it's not. I'm not going to change my answer. I don't know.
Yeah, but
but it's good you would relate to him
Why?
Yeah.
ये weight loss की पूरी बात कर रहा है कि मेरा
हाँ, वो तो कह
And
रहा है
he
कि मैं
was
मोटा हूँ.
and he was running around with those packets of
I was
Haldiram
fatter
and
than
all.
this guy.
Yeah. At one point of time.
Yeah.
But you've not reduced weight on the brain. So this guy is called Mr. Param.
Mr. Param.
Mr. Param hai. Obviously from the northern side of India, where you wear turbans.
Why you want not to say Punjab so badly? Your wife is a Punjabi.
Yeah.
That's the reason.
Yeah.
प्रमोशन नहीं करना उस स्टेट का मेरे साथ बहुत गलत किया
He's trying very hard not to say Punjab.
Acha, song name is called, well, needless to say, it's called Bloat.
Bloat. Nice
Like, you put on weight. Now, my question very simple. How many views does this Mr. Param have? And you can check him out on Google also. He's got a good presence. That could be a trick question.
अच्छा, last time.
That could be a trick question. Remember, the scores
यही
are
बोल के
3-3.
आपने मेरा वो गलत करवाया वो मलयाली सिंगर का मैंने 3 लाख गेस कर दिया
So, don't look at
Rohan
me
is
and...
full like
no hints.
Olympic competitor mode.
Yeah, no hints. Remember the score is 3-3. The one who wins this
Maybe 4-3.
is going...
4-3, हाँ, क्या हो गया?
I know math.
Okay.
It's not that. It's going to be an easy way out because there are 2 more videos and I'm sure Rohan...
You should host those quiz shows on Doordarshan and all. The way you are making it's a very simple. It's just
डेरेक ओब्रायन
हाँ, Derek O'Brien.
And if we...
बट राजेश भाई कुछ करना हाँ
आप बताओ
views,
कितने
you know,
कितने व्यूज हैं इस बंदे के लिए मिस्टर परम सॉन्ग का नाम है ब्लोट
अरे यार
आपका वॉइस बेसी हो गया लेकिन
पंजाबी ट्रैक्स नॉर्मली गेट अ लॉट ऑफ व्यूज बिकॉज कनाडा में भी पंजाबी है और इंडिया में भी पंजाबी है ठीक है
Einstein level shit.
आई वुड से अबाउट 11 मिलियन
आप बताओ
I would go with 7 odd million.
भाई कम क्यों किया यार
Who wins?
नहीं आप ही जीते हो इतने दुखी हैं जो
नहीं Niladri is trying to full. This video seems like Niladri auditioning to be a quiz host. That's what this video seems to me.
The score is 4-3. Shine gets this one. Not 11 million, but he's got 1.56 million views for this. So you get this
You were
one.
right that way. एक था figure में. It's just you got 10 times more.
4-3. He went to Canada में ये है पंजाबी वहाँ पे है. Next one.
ओ ये बीट बॉक्सर है ये तगड़ुम करता है देखा ये भी देखा मैंने
पार्टी के सिलसिला काटा द सलसला कुत्ता कुंतला आडवो मासतला पार्टी के सिलसिला काटा द सलसला कुत्ता कुंतला आडवो मासतला करिए कलफला करिए पावफला करिए यूथफला हार्ट आज हाउसला
This is Malayalam, right?
तमिल लग रहा है मुझे
Tamil नहीं है ना?
Tamil है.
So what is this? I'll tell you how this guy
I'll tell
looks.
you this guy has improved आपने अगर इसकी पुरानी वीडियो देखी है अपैरेंट जब मैं स्टार्ट करता था ना तब बेस्ट बीट बॉक्सर ऑफ इंडिया लिखोगे तो इसकी वीडियो आती थी और ये करता था दुम पतक चिक दुम
See,
इतना इंसल्टिंग लगता होगा सोचो
तो तुम्हें
I'll
हाँ, आप बताओ.
I'll tell you how this guy looks.
हाँ.
This guy looks like, if I had seen this guy, if I had to predict his like what he would be this orchestra में जो ऐसा तबला वबला नहीं बजाते हैं, but not very communicate, like पीछे ऐसा रहता है ना, orchestra में नहीं होता है कि ऐसे लोग जब introduce करते हैं last में कि hey whatever Sutta Vitta Paran Jutti is there and they would like hey.
This guy also
That's how he looks.
This guy looks like an auto driver who would reject me.
That's also correct. That's also right.
बस थोड़ा सा खाकी पहना दो.
This guy also
बरला ये बुला दो. बैंगलोर में जॉब सेट है.
Yeah, or he can be the one जो वो आप दुकान में कॉल करते हो ना कि पानी चाहिए बिस्लरी का कैन करके 20 रुपीज का, सॉरी 100 रुपए का, तो बिस्लरी का कैन लेके आएगा. ही विल बी ऑन अ मोपेड, टी शर्ट यहाँ तक होगा, पेट ऐसा बाहर रहेगा इसका, एंड ही विल डिलीवर वाटर कैन्स टू योर प्लेस. ही लुक्स लाइक दैट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट्स हिज जॉब.
Okay, so my only request to the wonderful gentlemen seated over there, Rohan Karyappa and Shayan Bhattacharya, is never make a trip to Tamil Nadu. You just fucked it up. Like I let
He's
you
a big
guys,
star
I
there.
let you called him auto driver, you called him a Bisleri water seller. You guys had a party within yourself. But this is Mr. T. Rajendra, who's been a politician, an actor, producer, director, and he is freaking huge.
I kind of have a crush on him.
A little too late into the
Yeah.
video there, Rohan.
See, you can't judge a book by its cover. I was just talking about the cover.
ये book
We were just judging the cover.
Yeah.
We're not saying the book is bad.
अभी तक मैंने लेफ्ट प्रोफाइल देखा था, मैंने बीच से देखा तो I suddenly have a
तुम लोगों को suddenly I'm getting a little
Suddenly
sense of dar
Yeah.
creeping up your spine.
Yeah.
So this man is T. Rajendra.
I think we should abuse China randomly to take the.
लेकिन उनको नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा. यार
No, I'm just
आप
saying-
उनकी तारीफ करो.
आप diss कर रहे हो. You're continuing to diss.
नहीं, आप उनकी लैंग्वेज की तारीफ करो.
Lode ke baal. Okay.
What is that? Hey, what do you say that in Tamil?
Which one?
The one that you just said.
ये किस लैंग्वेज में था?
Hindi.
नहीं, हिंदी में जाट होता है. ये यहाँ की हिंदी में लोड़े की बाल अपने आप से बना दिया है यहाँ पे.
No, it's calling it more elegantly.
They're describing.
So once you finished about the pubic intensity of this video, the artist is called T. Rajendra, very famous. Like you guys fucked up. The song is called Papara Pa. Okay.
What is a paparapa?
Papara Pa.
Profound, very profound.
I like it. Paparapa is a nice.
How many views do you think this guy would have got? Now I'm going to trick you guys both again. Now he's got views which are not the ones which I have in my diary over here. He's somewhere else. But this video could be more or less.
राई दो ना.
नहीं.
Yes, पता चलेगा. हाँ.
So 4-3 is the score. Shine at 4, you at 3. I need the views, my friend.
बताओ.
1.7 million.
Up.
2.1 million.
4-4.
3 point कुछ million था क्या?
4.1. 4.1 and a score is at 4-4. Now this is the final freaking video. Whoever gets this is the closest the normies have ever come to. So
Because you're not a part of it. Otherwise,
Yeah, remember saying they should continue this series till Niladri sir wins.
Wins, yeah.
And somebody replies, you mean forever?
अच्छा इसलिए मैं हॉट सीट पे बैठा हूँ but yes, the final video number 9.
ये भी पता तेरे को.
सुना है लेकिन.
डॉक्टर.
ये बांग्लादेश का हो.
हाँ लग रही है.
क्यों नॉर्मल ऐसे दिखते हैं?
लास्ट में क्या बोल रही है?
विथ ईच अदर.
ओ अच्छा अच्छा. लड़की. Sorry, I'm sure the ladies very nice. Did he just do the middle finger or what here? No.
अरे भाई. Oh shit. क्या भाग रहा है यार.
द डायरेक्टर इसमें मजे ले रहा है. डायरेक्टर फुल मजे ले रहा है कि
हाँ.
सर एक लड़की को भगाते. नो सर, यू रन.
हाँ.
You run beautiful. Oh my God, sir, beautiful. The lady, I'll tell you what, she's a very good lady, and there's nothing bad. But I'm just thinking she had like a lunch break from a beauty parlor she was working at, and this guy says, "Please come, no, please, I'll pay you $1,000. Just do whatever
For acting."
But
for do whatever.
I want to ask you a question. Why couldn't it be another profession? Why have you associated beauty parlor with a?
Because there's nothing bad in it. It's just I'm judging the book by its cover. I don't know the lady's. She could be an astrologer as well.
Let me tell you the score.
मैंने जब बोला बांग्लादेश, he said क्या दिख भी रहा है.
But I must tell you, Rohan's observation is freaking fantastic. A, because closer to the town that we come from, which is West Bengal, there is. We also say. I mean, I'm not against any bongs, but there are a lot of Bengalis who say doctor.
Doctor.
But it is not necessarily that he's from Bangladesh, but you're close. You're very close.
Myanmar, Maldives, Bangladesh का और क्या क्या है?
अरे नेपाली भी actually बोलते हैं.
Okay, so this guy.
I am a
Sabji.
driver. सब्जी? नहीं, सब्जी. हाँ, तो सब्जी थोड़ी बोलता है.
ठीक है.
Anyway, country पूरी guess करना है. क्यों, किस country से है?
हमारे भारत महान से है.
This is guy from India.
आसाम होगा यार.
आसाम से है. Assam se hai, yes, but there are no points for guessing whether he's from Assam. He's Rajkumar Thakuria, and he is.
I think he's too old to be a Rajkumar now. I think Maharaja would be fine. Or LK Advani.
And over here, you guys have to tell me not the views that he's gained, but how many subscribers do you think he has? 4 hai. Now, whoever gets this walks away with a taste of Coorg hamper.
ठीक है, I am anyway taste of Coorg. I've seen today what is there, and I want one from it. Is Rohan wins or not? I'm going to snatch that one thing away.
नहीं.
तो आप बताओ.
नहीं क्या?
तो
मैं order दे रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, how many subscribers does he have?
Start.
The score is 4-4. Whatever comes out will be committed, and therefore,
So this
and
guy is
thereby.
like an established pop star from Assam.
People know about him.
120k subscribers.
Victory.
Why?
It's in the balance now, but I gave you guys a hint.
Which
he
is?
is well known. He is well known.
300k subscribers.
I gotta check.
यार.
Put some ominous music and all that when I'm checking this. How much did you say?
120k यार.
102 you said now.
120.
आपने क्या बोला?
300k.
300k नहीं हो सकते इसके यार.
Niladri is auditioning for
Rohan.
You win. ये basically Niladri is setting it up.
एक करोड़ के क्वेश्चन में जो अमिताभ बच्चन करता है ना.
5-4. Rohan Cariappa. Yeah.
Wow,
Yes.
Yes. Khushi. How many subscribers?
46.3 thousand
Then
subscribers.
why do you say he's very well known?
I said that is a trick question, and you
First of all,
need
that
to.
question is one where you ask a question.
Yeah, okay, it's a
You
hint.
can't- that's-
It's a trick hint.
You saying you're misleading us. That's the one.
I just
You
want.
can't make a wrong statement and say that's a trick question.
It's
by the
been
way.
exciting. It's 5-4 the scoreline. It's been exciting. So yeah. So with that, Rohan Cariappa.
But Rohan, what is the scoreline did you predicted?
देखो जीत होती है.
No, I'm just asking because you thought before the video started you said you will put that up on screen like हमारे WhatsApp group का
Yeah.
shot.
नहीं इसने बोला था 7-2.
7-3 बोला था मैं.
7.
Then he said it became 9.
Then I said one video. So he said then we'll do it for 8-1.
8-1.
8-1. He said that. But the
5-4
final
is okay.
scoreline, superb stuff.
Yeah.
5-4, which makes Rohan Cariappa take the hamper back. Taste of Coorg. Here you go, like you predicted. Congratulations.
Do an ad for Taste of Coorg.
www.tasteofcoorg.com.
पता नहीं
Some
कौन
awesome
है
stuff.
इसका owner, but he's done a great job.
What is this called by the way?
कर्जी काई. ये गुजिया है South Indian.
Yeah. It's,
Oh shit, that's why.
And
really
these
cool.
are roasted almonds. वही है क्या?
नहीं. इसके बारे में
मेरे को
बात
नहीं पता.
नहीं.
मेरे को पता नहीं.
ये खा सकते हैं. ये खा
हाँ?
सकते हैं. ठीक है.
ये roasted almonds ना?
Roasted almonds. Yeah, but yeah.
Rohan knows a lot about YouTube, but he's not allowed to differentiate between an almond and a cashew nut for that.
Yeah.
Taste of Coorg, once again.
Yeah.
If your mouth feel empty, fine, I'll do it again. Taste of Coorg. Once again, if your mouth feels empty, put some Coorg in it.
एंड तक ऐसा लगता है कुछ और नहीं.
Yeah, but so wrapping up the series,
Yeah.
Normies 4, what do you think about the videos that were put forward in front of you? Did
Very
you
lazy.
guys
Very lazy.
See, Rohan, now you can't judge him on the same yardstick. You spend a lot of time on internet, and Niladri spends lesser in my time probably.
Yeah,
in terms of
absolutely.
looking at cringe content, Rohan revels in it. If we could show our Instagram messages that we receive from Rohan, people would know why am I telling Rohan's passion and pastime.
Should I give you Monday lock? मैं ये
edit कर
ये
यार.
बीप कर.
नहीं यार, रहने दो.
No, I'm just
नहीं,
saying that
नहीं,
Rohan
it's good.
spends a lot of time watching cringe content.
So coming back to my question, which I posed in front of you 5 minutes ago, how did you enjoy the 9 videos?
It was nice, good. I love cringe pop. And
Okay.
it was exactly that.
Shine, you?
Yeah, I like it. I would want to listen to that Malayalam track full.
Yeah.
That guy.
Ashwin Ram बोल के.
As you mentioned पहले गांडू मीटर में सबसे up कौन है?
हाँ,
meter is
Gandu
too
quotient, the Gandu
high. Too
quotient.
high. It's too
हाँ,
harsh
आपने
award.
एक तमिलनाडु के पॉलिटिशियन को रख रखा है नहीं गिविंग
हाँ.
अस गांडू मीटर एंड ऑल. He is not even deserving
to be in
that.
Because he's nice.
You have a house in Kodai.
Fucking chameleons, the both of you.
See, I would not
The
sound-
video has been recorded and you guys were dissing him. You called him a Bisley water supplier. He called him an auto driver.
Who says
listen,
Baralla?
you can rewind the video and see the flashback.
First of all, I never made any aspersions into which language I didn't cast any aspersions into which language he will be proficient in. He's a Tamil guy. He says he will speak in Kannada. I'm just pointing it out.
भाई ये तो डिलीट ही है. ये तो डिलीट ही है.
अच्छा, Gandu quotient maximum कितना का है?
No, who is the most
What recalls you? I mean, what has been a recall
Bhim
for you?
Narula is
Bhim
on another
Narula?
level.
अच्छा, Bhim Narula आपके
His tablet track called Tablet
हाँ.
where he talks about taking a tablet is also very good.
because he-
हाँ.
so,
Then let's say
I took a tablet.
so for him it's
Lyrics.
like I took a pill. I took a pill in Ibiza.
Same
I
thing.
took a
I
tablet.
now know who is writing Bhim Narula's lyrics, or it's Tony Kakkar. Have you heard his tracks? Kudi tu chowk late hai to number one something.
But I think
something
Bhim
like
Narula has a little more lyrics.
Yeah.
Tony Kakkar is
So
little easy.
for you, for him, it's Bhim Narula, Gandu quotient maximum.
This guy, the
Yeah.
last one.
No.
You are a doctor, I am a
Hey,
driver.
हाँ,
We
ये
fell in
यार
love.
नहीं. I think I would go with him because of that step जो लड़की करती है. You
I would also.
very.
So
एकदम
wait,
मेले में
see,
no energy whatsoever.
you are a doctor, I am a driver. Together we make love. So it's a driver.
You
falling
dubbed
in-
for him in this track.
No, so
Niladri.
Rajkumar Thakuria gets the Gandu quotient award
Yeah.
for Nomi's
That's
number
too
4.
hard award. Why are you
Yeah.
judging him like that?
Yeah, and I'm sorry, but yes, this has been a fun episode of Nomi's episode 4 on Not So Funny Rohan. Not Funny Rohan.
Anything.
Not So Funny Rohan. You can call it anything. Yes, Shan Bhattacharya, Rohan Karyappa. Until the
Yeah.
next time.
Next
we'll-
time, what are we doing? Just give people a.
No, I can't
अभी कहाँ से
because
लग गया हमने?
Achha, we haven't freezed.
yeah, there's many ideas.
But next time we'll be shooting in Kodai. Is that right?
Fingers crossed.
Hey, no,
Fingers
today
crossed.
is 2-3 weeks away, no?
Yeah, so maybe we shoot here and then move, but we'll tell you, we'll keep you informed on
Yeah.
Instagram. Follow Rohan, follow Shine, and yes, catch you next time. Normies episode 5. That's what's it's gonna be. Yeah.
कलम की कमाई कविताओं की कला कलाकार का ये काम या कठिनाई की कथा काले काम करके काटे गंदे कर्मचारियों के कबर खोदने के करतूत कितने करोड़ों की कंपनियों के खोज खोखले खजाने की खून की कथा खाकी है खामोश कबरी काट पे खड़ा खेल खतरे का खास खोपड़ी खोने का खौफ खबर कोटी का एक खतरनाक खूनी की खोज